Today we'll be describing in detail our decision tool, the Swoop Dogg. The Swoop Dogg takes information, statistics, and data from the website Swoopo.com and analyzes it in an Excel workbook to provide the user a more sophisticated analysis tool. To begin, we'll provide a brief overview on the website Swoopo.com itself. Pitched as entertainment shopping and the next wave in online auctions, Swoopo allows users the opportunity to purchase popular electronics and other hot products for potentially extreme discounts. The process works in several steps. First, the user purchases a set amount of bids for 60 cents each. Then the bidder uses these bids on a particular auction. When a bid is placed, the auction price increases by either 1 cent if the auction is a penny auction, or otherwise by 12 cents. The trick to Swoopo is as follows. When a bid is placed, the remaining auction time increases by up to 20 seconds. Thus, as shown on the screen, while an auction may appear to only have seconds remaining, it may, in theory, run for hours or days longer. Swoopo users have no information regarding when the auction will actually end. Given the limited information provided, the Swoop Dogg is an essential tool for all Swoopo users. By providing information that will allow the user to deduce an appropriate bidding strategy, the Swoop Dogg aims to minimize the number of bids placed and maximize the efficiency of each placed bid, thus saving the bidder valuable time and money. The Swoop Dogg works as follows. Upon opening the application, the user is brought to the home page. For the beginner user, directions are conveniently provided on the left-hand side. To begin, click Observe Auction. This will populate a user form which will enable the user to simultaneously view up to 5 live auctions. Next, copy all relevant hyperlinks from Swoopo and paste them into the appropriate text box using Ctrl-V. Next, add the bidding increment for each respective auction. When complete, press the yellow Observe button to begin the tool's functionality. While the tool is working, the user has the ability to start and stop it as desired. To stop, simply press the Stop checkbox on the main pull sheet. Once the auction is complete, or once the user has decided to manually stop the tool, a variety of options lay ahead. First, the Swoop Dogg will generate an individualized worksheet highlighted in red for each auction observed. On these respective worksheets, the user can view and analyze the auction price and any savings for the item at a particular time. For a more advanced analysis, the user should visit 2 additional worksheets. The analysis worksheet provides a graphical representation of the data, and the data dump worksheet provides a statistical representation. On the analysis worksheet, several graphs can be displayed. Chart 1 allows for a multivariable single auction comparison. Using the drop-down boxes, the user can manipulate the data that are displayed on the graph. Chart 2 allows for a multi-auction single variable comparison. This time, the user can manipulate the auctions on both the X and Y axes for a given metric. Chart 3 allows the user to select a particular auction and compare its average bids per second with its interval bids per second. On the data dump worksheet, the user can see the numbers behind the graphs. Comparisons can be made within a particular auction or between multiple auctions. Using the arrows provided, the user can view a variety of metrics, including elapsed time, total bids, average bids per second, interval bids per second, and the ending auction price. As the user gains experience using Swoopo, the data provided will become increasingly relevant. While the Swoop Dogg cannot pinpoint an exact optimal bid time or price, it will provide particular parameters to follow. The Swoop Dogg will help the user visualize and analyze bidding trends in order to facilitate and design an optimal bidding strategy that will ultimately allow the user to maximize his or her bidding efficiency and minimize money spent.